Do you love coloring and learning at the same time? Today I have a super fun activity for you. We're going to color by numbers using our favorite animals. Doesn't that sound exciting? Sometimes coloring can be a bit tricky, right? You're not sure which colors to use and it can get confusing, but don't worry. I'm here to help you make coloring fun and easy. By the end of this video, you'll be a coloring pro. First, let's take a look at our coloring page. Do you see the numbers on the animals? Each number represents a different color. For example, number 1 could be red, number 2 could be blue, and so on. Let's start coloring our first animal together. Grab your red crayon for number 1. Let's color in the spots on the giraffe. Great job. Now let's switch to number 2 with our blue crayon. We'll color the giraffe's body. Wow, it's looking amazing already. Now let's move on to the elephant. For number 3, we'll use our yellow crayon. Color in the ears. Fantastic. For number 4, let's use green for the grass. You're doing such a great job. See how easy that was? By following the numbers, you can create beautiful and colorful animals. It's like a puzzle, and you're putting all the pieces together with colors. This helps us learn numbers and colors while having so much fun. Now here's a challenge for you. Can you color the lion using the numbers and colors we've just learned? Remember, number 1 is red, number 2 is blue, number 3 is yellow, and number 4 is green. I bet you can do it. If you enjoyed this activity, make sure to ask your parents to print more coloring pages for you. You can practice and become even better at coloring by numbers. Thanks for joining me today, kids. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Until next time, happy coloring. Bye-bye.